and that you're a genius.
Ow, what? Hey.
Mr. Dewey, we are Miss Bonafonte's legal team.
Lawyers?
I don't think you understand that the greater Commonwealth of Massachusetts recognizes your 10-year relationship with Miss Bonafonte as common law marriage, which entitles her to equitable division of property.
Huh?
Translation? We're taking the dog!
Whatever.
Anyone's ever done for me, bar none. Wait, was that law? Is this the point of law? I'm feeling kind of high.
You okay?
Is this why we all study and